Welcome back Office Executives. In this particular video I will be showing you how to create a drop down in MS Word. So by drop down we have all seen in web pages that whenever we are clicking on an item, something reveals the content of that particular heading or the content of that particular item is being shown in here is being shown. So for this particular video I am using some random textual document for the content of the heading. Let me show you how I did it. Also I should mark that I have used a horizontal line. So this horizontal line is something like, if we move our cursor uh, to the horizontal line, we will be viewing an arrow, and that arrow when clicked it will reveal the item below that item. Control N to create the video from scratch, or to create the document from scratch, or how I did it. So let me first use rand, the random function, to create five paragraphs and each having 3 sentences in them. Hit enter. Now let me give some heading. So let me, for the first textual content, I'll be creating about, and then I'll be using intro. For the third paragraph I'll be using about. I have already used about, so courses. Okay, and for the this paragraph I'll be using the heading as location or location, and for the last paragraph we'll be using faculties. So that's it. Now all you have to do is that, let me make the screen a little bit smaller. Okay, so let me select about, then pressing the and holding down control, intro, courses, then location, and finally faculties, and mark them as heading 1. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Fine. And let me make it a little bit smaller. Fine. And let me add some bullets before it. Fine. So now what I will be doing is that I'll be right clicking. No, not right clicking. I'll be selecting the whole of the document and then right click. Here we'll be having an option of expand collapse, expand all, not expand, collapse all, expands collapse, collapse all heading. Fine. Now there will be an arrow before this section, and here it is. Now to highlight, I mean how to mark that there is an arrow before about, to mark this particular site, I'll be going to the design section, and from there I'll be going to the page border section, and in the border section I'll be creating selecting the custom and adding a border. I can make it a little bit wider, maybe 1.5 point, and hit OK. So I am the selection is only having the, I had only the selection of faculties, and it is having this border. So let me press Ctrl A to select the whole of the document, then go to the page border section, again to the border section, and then custom, and select this one and 1.5 point. Okay, fine. Now let me make the screen a little bit bigger. Before each of these margin there is a arrow, and if I click on this arrow, it reveals the content for that particular heading, the content for that particular heading. So I have collapsed the the content again. So that's how I have created a drop down in MS Word for the topics about, intro, courses, faculties. Hope I am being able to clear out what I did in here. Thank you all for this particular staying till the end of this video. See you again for some other videos.